Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Charge 4 speaker and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first open settings and then go to connected devices. Here scroll down to connection preferences, go to Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Then enable it back. If you can connect to your speaker now, it's great. If you can't, you just have to do a soft reset of your device. Disable Bluetooth for a moment and power off your device. Then power it back on and enable Bluetooth. Now you should be able to connect. If you are not, you just have to do a hard reset. If it doesn't help you, contact your device support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.